Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthy Living Hue. So on this channel, we will talk about financial literacy and practical self-growth awareness to motivate you to become the future Filipino 1%. Just a little disclaimer, I'm not a certified financial planner nor an expert on the field, and I'm plainly speaking based on my experience. Also, because I believe that everyone, especially my beloved Filipinos out there, deserves to be educated financially so we all can improve our standards of living. Sounds so corny, I know, but I genuinely believe that making these types of content is one of my purpose. So with all that, let's get started. I firmly believe that before anyone got started, you have to question the current status quo and assess what is going on with your life. So some questions for you. First, what is financial freedom? So basic definition is financial freedom or financial independence is a state when an individual or household has sufficient wealth to live on without having to depend on income from some form of employment. So financially independent people have assets that generate income or cash flow that is at least equal to their expenses. Income you earn without having to work for a job. Isn't that amazing? It's commonly referred to as passive income. So now that you already know what is financial freedom, you need to also ask yourself, why do you need to be financially free? Okay guys, you need to be financially free because human strength is a finite resource. Now you have to remember and accept the fact that your time in this precious planet is very limited. You have to consider that each of our retirement age will come, and when that time comes, you will definitely need more than what your savings or retirement perks have for you. I mean, that's the reality of it all. Knowing the reason why you need to be financially free, you also need to know when is the right time to start your financial freedom journey. Well, the right time is now. Not till the next bonus, not next quarter, and most definitely not till next year. You have to start today. The earlier you start, the earlier you will achieve your goals, and the less likely that you will deviate or discontinue from what you already started. Knowing that you have to start today, you also need to understand, how do you start? This is the most crucial question. You start by educating yourself on how to achieve financial freedom. Not necessarily that you have to have a shit ton of cash, although it is very ideal that you already have the money to get you started because financial freedom involves growing your money anyways, and eventually build yourself enough wealth that can sustain your needs and your family's needs. But right now, if you don't have the money, it is enough, again, let me stress that out, it is enough that you will educate yourself of what particular investment vehicle you're curious about or you're interested in. Start by reading books about those topics, and later on, if you think you already understand the fundamentals, you can then invest your money to an investment vehicle that you understand. Just a little caveat over here. I'm not suggesting that you immediately give your money away right after reading an article about investing or shortly after watching this video. What I mean is you need to understand the key concepts first and evaluate yourself. Remember that before you learned how to read, you had to master your ABC. That's the same concept. The concept is entirely applicable to anything that you do in life. Okay, I digress a little. Let's go back. Now, the definition mentioned that you need assets or passive income, or what I like to call wealth-building vehicles that make money while I sleep. In the Philippines, most common investment vehicles you would hear from people are real estate, mutual funds, self-entrepreneurship, cryptocurrency mining and masternodes, and Philippine Stock Exchange investing or trading. Alright, so while the first four are very popular, only 1 to 3% in the whole Philippines know about investing or trading in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Like all of these investment vehicles, such as but not limited to what are mentioned here, will yield and give you profits. These will also bring you losses if you're not careful. Because unlike all those instant gratification or scams out there, investments require work. It requires work, guys. It's not an instant thing to have. Every day, you need to remind yourself that it is not only a business venture, but your retirement fund as well. You need to put in patience and hard work to make sure that your retirement fund does not burn. Okay, to end this video, just always remember that whenever anyone will tell you that you will surely get high profits in that venture, well, think again, guys, and take necessary precautions. Because if you would ask me, it is essentially a scam. Because all the entrepreneurs and richest people in the world would agree that business ventures are never certain. When you're out there venturing for business, you're out there risking. It's how you manage your risk that will ultimately separate you from the profitable ones, from those people who constantly just let others scam them in the name of instant or sure profits. So you have to choose which side you would want to belong, and don't be stupid, guys. Alright, that's it for now, guys, and I'm curious to know which of my points resonated with you and your personal wealth building strategies as well. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't hit the red subscribe button already, please subscribe to see more Wealthy Living Hue videos in the future. Also, if you have a particular topic that you want me to talk about my next videos, please comment below. See you guys, and remember, you can be wealthy too. Bye!